out that I had cancer on February 25th, 2021. My eyesight had been failing me for some time. I was having problems seeing. On February 23rd, I was working my part-time job at a women's shelter in DC. One of the clients had asked me for something to drink, and as I went to get up, I became dizzy and I stumbled. I noticed that my eyesight was gone in both eyes. The security officer who was working that night, I asked her to pour her a cup of water because, you know, I just was a little bit dizzy. I didn't want to alarm nobody and let them know that I couldn't see. As I was driving home, I noticed that my eyesight was like kind of very blurry. As I got off the highway, I completely lost my eyesight again. And at that point, I couldn't see anything. I went from working a full-time job and a part-time job to not working at all. Due to me having a terminal illness, I'm high risk for infection and colds and things like COVID. So if I get any one of those things, it could be fatal to me. So my contact has to be really limited. I haven't done much of nothing since I found out that I was diagnosed with cancer, you know, just to play it safe. This is the life of a cancer patient. Lots of appointments. I'm just waiting for my name to be called to go to the back to get infused, to get my chemo treatment. It's a very timely and lengthy appointments that we must endure.
How long have you been on your journey?
For 8 months. Oh, I'm losing weight so fast.
It's good or bad thing?
Yeah, because I'm going to have a transplant.
Oh, okay. Well, how much are you at the weight that you need to be at?
I don't know. But I was 214, 3.
Wow. That's a lot of weight to drop pretty fast. Alright, let's take you on the other side. And then I'm going to see, hopefully, I'm hoping that I'm
I hope so.
follow me. Did you guys need anything?
No.
Yeah, right here is open. And then right here.
Some of the ways that I've learned to cope with it, I had to, you know, get closer to God. I pray, family and friends, even people that don't know me. I have a huge support system. And it was hard for me to get to the point where I allow others to support me. At first, it was just me by myself. And my friends and family, you know, they didn't budge. Like, they were like, no, it's our turn to be there for you.
I'm glad it went well. The good news with the fluid analysis, they don't see any myeloma cells or anything like that. All right, let me go with you to the front desk.
To go through something like this, you have to really be strong, because depression and anxiety and stress would take me faster than cancer. I'm stronger than what I thought I was, because at the beginning of this, I didn't know if I was going to make it through this, or how I was going to deal with this, and how I was going to cope with this. So.